Hi, this is Palmer coming to you with another weekly forecast from OptionsSpreadTrades.com for February 9th, 2009. We are looking at a weekly chart here of the S&P. As you can see here, it's just we've still got a sell signal at the 852 level from the 14th. However, the stochastics are still down and momentum is down. However, the markets are sitting at 868 right now. We do appear to be in a bear market rally. We have a buy signal from the 839 level on the daily charts, and we are currently at 868, which is right up. 866 is the 50-day moving average. So we're sitting basically right on top of the 50-day moving average. If we get a push above this, it is likely that we are going to go higher if we get a convincing close above this. Also, if we breach the back to the weekly chart, if we breach the 885 level, that is going to see a trend change, and we are going to be in a buy mode. We'll need the momentum and the stochastics to confirm that, but things are sort of looking up. We're not ready to say that this is the bottom of the market, but we do believe that at least in the near term, the market is going to be bullish. Despite the fact that we do have sell signals still, or we do have net sellers in the commercial markets. So this is telling us one of two things. Like we said, either one, this is a bear market rally and the markets are going to go up and then make one final push down, or two, the commercials are outright wrong and this is the market bottom. The commercials are rarely wrong, but like we said, they are a lot of times very early. So this is, well, like we said, there's it is probably going to be going up, the markets in the near term. We are pushing out towards the second standard deviation here, and the markets generally don't stay below that for very long. We're not below it yet, but as you can see here, this is the November low. The market's barely penetrated the second standard deviation at 737, and then bounced right back up. We thought we would at least get a push back down to the 737 level. We could still see that after this bear market rally is over, but it's too early to tell. Over here we are looking at another chart of sort of the standard deviations. These are called Hurst cycles. And as you can see here, the market's been bottoming out, hit the bottom here, bounced up, hit the bottom here again, and bounced up. Okay, you can get a better look at it here. So the momentum here does look like it's moving up. We are kind of hitting the low standard deviations here, which means if you're hitting sort of the negative standard deviations below the second standard deviation, what that means is markets generally have a tendency to regress back above the mean, which is this black line here. So right now we're sitting just below that. We could even go all the way up here to the second positive standard deviation, the third positive standard deviation, which would put us in the 900 to 915 range on the S&P before we get a bounce back down. Okay, so short term, we want to be sort of betting on the long side of things, the bullish side of things, which is unfortunate because we did take some short trades, which we're going to have to probably stop out of this week, but that's part of the game. Anyway, as far as the seasonals are concerned, there's nothing too important going on in the seasonal tendencies, other than Friday. This Friday, which is the Friday before the President's Day weekend, on next Monday, that generally tends to be a bearish day. It's been down sort of 11 out of 12 times between 1991 and 2002. It's bearish it's bearish 14 out of the last 17 times on the S&P. So Friday the 13th, that's typically a bearish day. Other than that, we don't have much going on in the seasonal tendencies. Again, the forecast is, at least for the near term, to be up. If you want to hear more, if you want to come learn more about how to trade the markets, please come visit us at optionspreadtrades.com. As you can see here, we just put up some new lessons. And in the near future, we're going to put up a forum so you can ask your questions. Again, please come visit us. You can take us on a 30-day free trial. Thanks a lot, and happy trading. See you next week.